feel like you're just too wide?
I've not been in anything this tight in a while.
It's been too long since I've tasted blood.
I'm gonna have some major pain damage. Is the path ahead just not clear?
Now what?
Do you feel like you just can't cut it? Then we have a solution for you. The next essential tool on our list is a cutting implement. Either a machete, a hatchet, an axe, etc. You never know when you might come across a log blocking the path, an overgrown trail prone to resurfacing your paint, or a zombie. These are even useful for making your own traction aids in times of need. And remember, when using cutting implements, safety third. Hold on. My lawyer. Hello? Wait, I can't actually joke around like that? Yeah, I guess people just aren't as funny anymore. Alright, bye. Where was I?
Safety tips.
Oh, that's right. Remember kids, when using your cutting tools, always use your strap-on, your machete, use eye protection, and be safe. Safety first. Check out these clips. We're chopping. Uh-oh, got a low-hanging stick.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna get hit. Oh, ow. Oh, no.
That's a knife.
That's a knife.
There we go. To the dirt. It's one of the things about hitting new trails. Sometimes you gotta clear your own path. Never a bad thing.
That's the fun part about it.
Part of the adventure. It's always good to have tools in your truck to help clear the path. Even if you're out on a normal trail, sometimes you'll have trees that get knocked down. This trail's a little bit overgrown, it looks like.
Wow, that hurts just listening to it.
That's alright.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Just paint.
Little scratchy scratch never hurt.
Oh, hello. I'll move my map out of the way.
I'll take it.
This is terrible. We're almost to the end.
I'm scared. We're stuck again.
Let me go clear it out better.
Alright, you go do that.
Alright.
Alright, thank you. Here he goes. Whack. 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 Yeah, I don't know. That doesn't look that fun. Whack. Whack. Whackity whack. Ooh. You got some. It's like just giving a tree a haircut. 10 hours. 10 hours later.
At least you're in the AC.
Yeah, I like it in here.
Hello. It's always
Whoa, that's scary.
an adventure. A lot of chopping today. Just helping clear the trails.
Nice.
One of the things about taking the road less traveled is that sometimes you gotta clear your own trail.
Yep.
It's alright. Can't always be
Wow, look at that tree, the way it's bent.
a limber piece of lumber.
Oy. I'm so glad he's not making me do this. I mean, I wouldn't do it anyways. I would just go back in reverse and take the trail more traveled. Nice job.
Oh, how's pain?
That last one was flying. It was kind of fun.
I know, I was like, please don't hit me in the face. Alright.
Alright, hopefully
To enjoy some AC for a minute.
Wow, look at that tree.
That's cool.
That's so cool.
It's like one more little thing to clear out, and then we're back on the main trail.
Are we now?
I hope so. My arm's getting tired. Okay.
You got this, baby. I believe in you.
I believe in you. There were so many like bugs coming out of those trees.
Yeah.
It's kind of gross.
Tree takes on you.
Gotta check me later. There's a tick on me right now.
What?
Let me see that.
You're kidding. Alright, why don't you get out and just check yourself real fast so it doesn't get...
Alright, we just had a very gross discovery. There was several ticks on me after cutting down all that brush. It's not always easy taking the road less traveled, but it is worth it. Usually. We're gonna have to get out and like clear this like log out of the way.
Is that a log or is that just the edge of the road? I think it's just the edge of the road.
No. This thing right
Oh,
here.
this.
Worth it. Ooh.
Now what?
You're gonna check me for ticks. Don't try this at home.